just take a look at this property. So there's $160,000, just for the sake of checking, right? It's $160,000, Philadelphia, Strawberry Mansion, Philly. Okay, does it make sense? Well, the first test you want to do is, what does this thing rent for? Right. So what you're looking for is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, right? So you click on this and say, hey, give me 3-bedroom. This is really cursory review, right? Right. So what you're looking for is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, right? So you click on this and say, hey, give me 3-bedroom. This is really cursory review, right? Yeah, right. So it's about 1900, 2000, 2000, 2000, 2000, $2,000. You know, it's but be careful because you got some 1600 and then 1400, right? So you don't want that. So, but suppose the thing goes for $2,400. What do I get? It would make sense. It would only make sense, right, if it's $1,600. So what can I get? What can I get for $1,600? So you go in there and you say, I need only 60 because you're gonna spend 160,000. So what do I get for that kind of range like that? Well, let's make it 1,700, right? C8 results. So what do I get for 1,600 in that same neighborhood? Well, I don't know. I mean, it's not outrageous. This 160 makes sense. I mean, you have to see the place. Although when you look outside, I mean, inside is beautiful, but I'm concerned about outside a little bit, right? Because when you look at it carefully, yeah, look at the guy next door. Okay. They may have refurbished it, so be careful. But you may have something there.